You're late.
I knew sooner or later they were gonna send somebody to try to stop me. But it's too late. The blood-dimmed tide is about to be loosed.
Yeah. Shuffling towards Bethlehem to be born.
You know the poem.
Freshman lit 3 times.
Your name is Lieutenant Joseph James Dixon. You're 32 years old. You have spent 10 years in the U.S. Army, and your blood type is B positive.
Great. Did you get all that from my eyes?
No, Lieutenant. I got all that from your fingerprints. I got a lot of stuff, but it's not in your service record. I know about your miserable childhood, about your failed marriage, and I probably know the real reason you left the U.S. Army.
Okay, so I was a bedwetter. Why don't you shoot me? You mind if I ask you a question, big boy? What does an underground group like you need a logo for? Is it, I don't know, for merchandising? You!
Got no idea what you wandered into. Nobody in Washington does. They're about to find out.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, you were saying? If Cell 7's so great, then why don't you guys have a better name? Huh? Like Subversion Hansa or the Revolution Boys or
Lieutenant.
even Cell 8.
Lieutenant. Your friend isn't doing nearly as well as you are. Nothing funny to say, Lieutenant?
What about my friend? What about Gray?
I'm gonna give you a chance to save his life. A contest. You win, he leaves here with a list of our demands. You lose, he accompanies the same list. At least his head does.
I'm gonna get out of here.